BYD Philippines is reshaping the local automotive landscape with the introduction of EVs and plug-in hybrids that are setting new benchmarks for premium comfort, advanced connectivity, and convenience features, as well as performance in sedans, SUV crossovers, MPVs, and even pickup trucks. BYD Philippines rolled out the Shark 6 DMO, a plug-in hybrid electric pickup truck built on the brand's Super Dual Mode Off-Road or DMO platform. Size matters in the pickup segment, and the Shark makes an impression. It measures 5,457 millimeters long, 1,971 millimeters wide, and 1,925 millimeters tall. Crucially, for off-road performance, it offers a commanding ground clearance of 230 millimeters. Water wading depth capability is placed at 700 millimeters. A rear cargo bed 1,520 millimeters wide, 1,500 millimeters long, and 517 millimeters deep provides a capacity of around 1,200 liters. It's also built for work, boasting a maximum towing capacity of 2,500 kilograms. All variants ride on 18-inch alloy wheels with 265/65 R18 tires. The Shark truly separates itself from competitors in the local pickup market with its powertrain. It runs on a dual-motor, all-wheel drive DMO hybrid system with a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine. The combined power output is 435 PS with a massive peak torque of up to 650 Nm. It comes with BYD Blade battery with a 29.6 kWh capacity and a CCS2 type charger. Every Shark sold comes with a portable charging cable as well as a 7 kW wall-mounted charger. BYD claims this pickup can hit 100 km per hour from a standstill in just 5.7 seconds. Top speed is rated at 160 km per hour. Its electric-only range is 100 km, and the total combined range with full charge and fuel tank is an impressive 800 kilometers. The DMO platform includes dedicated off-road driving terrain modes such as mud, sand, and snow to optimize traction and control. And for fuel and electric motor efficiency, you have 3 drive modes: normal, economy, and sport. For convenience, it features vehicle-to-load or V2L capability, allowing you to power tools and appliances directly from the truck. Underneath, the Shark is engineered for rugged capability. It features an independent double wishbone suspension at both the front and rear, tuned for improved off-road handling and ride comfort. Braking is handled by ventilated disc brakes on all 4 wheels. The Shark comes with electronic parking brake with auto brake hold function. Inside, the cabin is set up for 5 occupants. The seats are upholstered in leather, and cabin features leather trim and soft touch panels. Comfort is managed by a dual-zone auto climate control system that includes a heat pump for efficient heating controlled via physical switches and dials as well as a touchscreen. The leather-wrapped steering wheel tilts and telescopes and features controls for the MID, ACC, multimedia playback as well as 360-degree view, voice, and drive modes. Convenience features shared across the line includes keyless entry with smart entry system, push-button start-stop, power windows with an all-window one-touch up-down function, wireless charger, Type A and Type C USB ports, 12-volt power socket. The centerpiece of the cockpit is the best-in-class 12.8-inch intelligent rotating touchscreen. This screen is the hub for all multimedia and vehicle controls. Connectivity includes 4G, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The system utilizes a voice assistant and integrates with a BYD cloud service. Audio is channeled through an 8-speaker system. Safety begins with a comprehensive airbag system, including driver, front passenger, side and side curtain airbags. Standard electronic aids include hill hold control, hill descent system, and an anti-rollover control system. The Shark comes with 3-point ELR seat belts with reminders for front and rear passengers, ISO fixed tethers, speed sensing auto door locks, and tire pressure monitoring system.